Hello children, glad to meet you all again in your maths class. Okay, how is your studies? That too, especially how the maths class is going on? Same. What do you think? Whether the maths class seems difficult or not? Say children, if it seems difficult to you, can ask me your doubts. Okay, but it is not enough to just ask doubts. Do it that sums again and again in your home. Okay children, it always becomes so much easier for us when we keep repeating an incomprehensible questions. Okay? Okay children? Yes. Now we can start the maths class. Okay? Listen carefully. All of you take your book, page number 14. Children, all of you take your book, page number 14. I hope you have taken. Now you see the exercise 1.4, question number 3. Children, all of you take your book, page number 14. In exercise 1.4, question number 3. All of you see the question. Given below are the areas in square kilometer of some town. What is given? Area, okay? Area of some towns are given, okay? Now, write the areas in ascending order. What is the question? Write the areas in ascending order, okay? Use symbols. Symbols mean greater than and less than signs, okay children? So, what is given? The areas of some towns are given, okay? So now we have to write areas in ascending order, okay children? And one more question also there. Write the name of the town alongside, okay? Now you see that two columns are there. First column is in town and another column is area, okay? Now all of you look at the board. Town, area. Okay, first A town. The name of first town is A. That area is how much? You see these numbers. All the numbers are given in International Place Value System. Yes, children. You see the comma. Every that is three numbers after only one comma is there. Okay. In International Place Value System only using these marking the periods. Yes, children. International place value system நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம் 3 digits after நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம் comma make பண்ணுவோம். Okay, so that's why these numbers are marking in periods using International place value system. Okay, now you read the number. The town A area is 9,065,000. Okay, this is ones period, this is thousand period, this is million period. Okay, so 9,065,000. Next, B town. B town area is 1,683,000. Okay, next, C town. C town area is 259,000. Next, D area 518,000. Next, E area is 1,036,000. Next, F. Okay, so that is 323,800. Okay children, now arrange the areas, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means writing the numbers from the smallest to the greatest is called ascending order of numbers. Okay, ascending order na enna நம்ம numbers small இருந்து big க்கு arrange பண்ணனும். Okay, ascending order means small to big. Okay, here which is the smallest of these numbers? How many numbers are given? 6 numbers are given. Okay, so now we have to find smallest number. Say smallest number. First of all, you count the digit. Yes, children? Yes, count it. First number have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 digit. First number have 7 digit. Second number also 7 digit. third number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit. Okay, 7 digit and this number have 6 digit. Okay, children, now you compare. All of you know the number with more digit is the greater number. Yes, children, we have already studied. Is or no? Yes. The number with more digit is the greater number and the number with less digit is the smaller number. Okay, but here we need smallest number only need. Okay, so which one is the number with less digits? 1, 2, 3. 3 6-digit numbers are there and 3 7-digit number are there. Okay, comparing 7-digit and 6-digit, 6-digit only less than numbers. Okay, now you compare these two number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, here 3 numbers are there. Now we compare the highest place value. Yes, children? Yes, here digits are same. So if the number of digit is the same in the numbers, then we compare the numbers by observing the value of periods. Okay, that is compare with the highest place. Okay, children. So now you see here 259,000. This number 518,000. This number 323,800. Okay, now you compare the highest place value. Here 200,000. This number have 500,000. This number have 300,000. So comparing these three numbers, this 200,000 only smallest number. Okay. So now you write the answer. First number is 259,000. Okay, children. 259,000. Now you say which town is the straight to the 259,000? Which town? C. Okay, so the town name is C. Okay, yes. Now next number. This number is over. Now you comparing these two numbers. Which one is smallest? This number. Here this is 500,000. This number have only 300,000. So comparing these two number, this is only small. Okay, so next number is 323,800. This town is F. Okay, now we use the symbols. Your question is write the areas in ascending order. Use symbols. Okay, now you use the symbol. Comparing these two numbers, this is only small. Okay, so now you do like this symbol. Okay, 259,000 is smaller than 323,800. Okay, children. Next number. This finished, this also finished. So remaining 6-digit number only one number only. Okay, that number is 518,000. Okay, now you put the sign. Which sign will come? Comparing these two numbers, this is only small. So less than symbol. Okay, yes. So what is this town name? D. So you write the town name D. Okay, the next 3 numbers are finished. Now you come 7-digit numbers. Okay, 7-digit number. So here 3 7-digit numbers are there. Okay, here 1 number, 2nd number and 3rd number. Okay, children. Yes. Now you compare 7-digit number. First number has 9 million. Second number has 1 million. Third number has 1 million. Okay. So comparing 9 million and 1 million, 1 million only smallest number. But 1 million have 2 numbers are there. Okay. So you go to next digit. Here 600,000. This number have 600,000. This number have 0,100,000. So which one is smallest? This number. Okay. Now you write 1,036,000. Okay, yes. So which town? Yeah, E town. Okay, children. So this number is finished. So next, comparing these two numbers. This is 9,065,000. This number is 1,680,000, 83,000. Okay. So comparing these two numbers, this number only small. 1,683,000. Okay. So I have no space. So I am writing down. Okay. So less than symbol. Your number is 1,683,000. What is the town name? B. Okay. Yes. Now next symbol, 9,065,000. Okay. What is the town name? A. Okay, children. So all the numbers are came. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers are there? 6 numbers. Yes, here also one number. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Okay. So very easy. Yes, children. Now all of you take your book. Write the solution below the table in your book. Okay. All of you take your book. Page number 14. Question number 3. Okay. You write down the solution below the table in your book. So little space only there. Yes, children. So no problem. But write the solution below the table in your book. Okay. This is the solution. Okay, children. So you write the answers below the table in your book. உன்னோட புக்கில் எழுது. உன்னோட புக்கில் டேபிள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அந்த டேபிளுக்கு கீழே கொஞ்சமாக ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கு பாரு. அந்த ஸ்பேஸில் உன்னோட ஆன்சரை எழுது. Ascending order. Okay. You write the heading ascending order. Okay. Now you write the solution. 259,000. The town name is C. Okay. Is less than 323,800 is less than 518,000 is less than 1,036,000 less than 1,683,000 less than 9,065,000. Okay, children? Are you clear? Okay. Now write it in your answer in your book. Write down the solution below the table in your book. Okay. So in your book table below that some little space only there. So write it. Ascending order. Okay. You write the solution. Do it fast. Do it fast. Only write the solution. Okay. No need to table. Table already given. Yes, children. So write down the solution below the table. Do you understand? Yes. Do it. Finish? Did you finish? Yes. Now you come page number 15. Now you come page number 15. Question number 5. Page number 15. Okay. Question number 5. Page number 15 in exercise 1.4, 5th question. Okay. All of you see the question. Carefully observe the order in the numbers given below and complete the series. Okay. What is given? One series is given. Okay. Now you complete. Okay. First number. So A. All of you see the question. Okay. Your first question is Okay, all of you look at the board. You see the question in exercise 1.4, fifth question. Okay, your first question that what is given? Series. One series is given. Okay, what is the that is complete the series. Okay, you read the number 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so 10 crore, 11 lakh, 10,000, 100. Okay, children. So this number is 10 crore, 11 lakh, 10,100. Okay. So next number is 10 crore, 21 lakh, 10,100. Okay. Next number 10 crore, 31 lakh, 10,100. Okay. Which number? That is next number. Which number? That is only question. You observe these numbers. So in every number, 10 lakh is increased. Yes or no? Here is 10 crore. All the number have 10 crore only. And next period you come. Here 11 lakh. Here 21 lakh. Here 31 lakh. And all the number 10,000. 10,000 only. Here also 10,000. Here also once period 100, 100, 100. Okay. So in every number, 10 lakh is increased. Yes children? Here 1 10 lakh. This number have 2 10 lakh. This number have 4 10 lakh. So what is the next number? Same crore period only. So 10 crore. Next 10 lakh. Here 1 10 lakh. Here 2 10 lakh. Here 3 10 lakh. So next number is 4 10 lakh. That's why 41 lakh 10,100. Okay children? 10 crore, 41 lakh, 10,100. So next number 10 lakh, 10 crore, 51 lakh, 10,100. Okay. Next number 10 crore, 61 lakh, 10,100. Okay children. Skip counting. Okay. In every number 10 lakh is increased. Okay. So that's why your answer is 10 crore, 41 lakh, 10,100. The next number is 10 crore, 51 lakh, 10,100. And next number is 10 crore, 61 lakh, 10,100. Okay, children? Are you clear? Yes. Now you come to the question number B. In fifth question, B part. You read the number. This is ones period, 1000 period, lakhs period, crore period. Okay. 41 crore, 72 lakh, 37,450. Okay. 41 crore, 72 lakh, 36,450. Next. 41 crore, 72 lakh, 35,450. Okay. Now you observe these numbers. What is the difference? What is the difference between these numbers? That's a crore period. 41, 41, 41. Okay. Next, lakh period. 72, 72, 72. Okay. Leave it. Next. Here 37,000. Here 36,000. Here 35,000. 1,000 is decreasing. Yes, children. Here 7,000. Here 6,000. You see that 1,000 place. Okay. Here 7,000 is. Here 6,000 is there. Here 5,000 is there. Yes. In every number, 1,000 is decreased. Okay. Yes. Now you say what is the next number? Same crore. 41 crore. 72 lakh. Here 37. Here 36. 35. So next 1,000 period is 34. Okay. 37, 36, 35, 34. Okay. Next ones periods are same. So now you read 41 crore, 72 lakh, 34,450. Next number 41 crore, 72 lakh, 33,450. Okay. In every number, 1,000 place is decreased. Okay, children. So here 34, here 33. Next number 41 crore, 72 lakh, 32,450. Okay, yes, you see the thousands place 7 6 5 4 3 2. Okay, so in every number thousands place is decreased. Okay, are you clear? Yes. Now you come to the C part question. Fifth question, C part. Okay, now you read the number 53 crore 47 lakh 29,788. Okay, the next number 53 crore 47 lakh 29,677. Next number 53 crore 47 lakh 29,566. So next number, what is the next number? What is the difference between these numbers? Observe the numbers. First period, crore period. Okay, crore period are same in three numbers. Yes. Next you come lakhs period. Okay, 47 lakhs, 47 lakhs, 47 lakhs. Okay. Next you come thousands period. Okay, 29. Here also 29. Here also 29. Next. Here what is given? 788. Here 677. Here 566. Yes, children. Here 100 space is changed. Yes. Here 7. Here 6. Here 5. Okay. Now you write the number. Same period. That is crore period is same. 53 crore 47 lakh 29,000. Okay. Here 765. 700, 600, 500. So in 100 period 100 is decreased. Okay. So here which number will come? 5 before. That is 5 before 4. Okay. Decreased. 100 is decreased. So your number is 4. Now you see the tens place 8. So என்ன ஆயிருக்கு? இது கூட ஒன்று ஆட் ஆயிருக்கு. நம்ம 100ஓட ஒன்று ஆட் பண்ணி எழுதியிருக்காங்க. அப்போ இங்கே என்ன வரும்? 4 plus 1 3 and 1's place also same. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. So this is that number is 53 crore 47 lakh 29,433. Okay. The next number same crore 53 crore 47 lakh 29,000. First of all you find the hundreds place. Okay children, 100 place is here 7 6 5 4. The next number is 3. Okay. 100 is decreased in every number. Okay. So here 300. So tens place is add 1. Okay. So sorry, here is, so add 1 means 5 will come. Yes. Sorry. So here 5 4 5 5. So next 3. So 3 plus 1 4. The ones place also 4. Okay. Yes. So your number is 53 crore 47 lakh 29,344. Okay. The next number 53 crore 47 lakh 29,000. Here is 300. So 200. 100 is decreased in every number. So here 300. So that number 200. Okay. Now you add 1. So 2 plus 1 3 in 1's place and 1's place and 10's place also we add 1. So your number is 53 crore 47 lakh 29,233. Okay children. Do you understand? Yes. So this question answer also you write it in your book only. Okay. Write it. Page number 15. Fifth question. Answers you write in the book. Questions are given. Okay. So you should write the answers. Okay children. Write it. Page number 15. Question number 5. In 5, A part, B part, C part. You write the answers. Write fast and write carefully. Okay. Write neatly with your pencil. Okay. Is your pencil sharp or not? If the tip of the pencil is not sharp, then sharp your pencil. Okay, children? Then after you write. If the tip of the pencil is not sharp, then sharp your pencil. Okay? Are you listening? Yes. Write neatly. Okay? Do it fast. Write the answers only, okay? Already questions have. So you write the answer. Have you finished? Okay. So first lesson is over. Okay. Your first lesson is over. I hope it was easy for you. Yes, children? Okay. Yes. Now you come page number 16. Let us revise. All of you take your page number 16. Page number 16, you see the first question. Complete the table given below. Okay. All of you take your book, page number 16. You see the first question. Complete the table given below. First question is homework. So listen carefully. Okay, children? Yes. Complete the table given below. A part. One number is given. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. What's the number? How will you read? How will you read? Before reading the number, mark the periods. Okay. So now you mark the periods using Indian system of numeration. Okay, children? In Indian system of numeration. Okay. So you mark the periods after you write the number name. Okay. Are you clear? So this is the homework. So your homework question, page number 16. Page number 16, first question, okay? A and B. Okay, children? Second number, second number, B part. What number is given? So before reading or writing, you mark the periods, okay? So name in the international system. Here you use international system. Are you clear? In first question, A part, one number is given. So you write the number name in the Indian system. A part, write the number name in the Indian system. And B part, write the number name in the international system. Okay, children? Are you clear? Yes. Okay. So that is homework. First question is homework. A and B. Okay. Mark the question. Homework. Okay. Now you come. Second question. State whether the following statements are true or false. True means you put T. False means you put F. Okay. So now you see the first question. A part. What number is given? What number? 872. Okay. No comma. Yes, children. So you mark the periods first of all. Okay. So you only mark the periods. So every number here use Indian place value system only. Okay. நம்ம நம்பருக்கு எல்லா நம்பரையுமே நம்ம என்னது இந்தியன் நம்பர் சிஸ்டத்தில் தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். எதுலையாவது இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் சிஸ்டம் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் தான் நம்ம இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் சிஸ்டம் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். இல்லைனா நம்ம என்ன சிஸ்டம் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? Indian system of numeration. Okay, children. Here two numbers are given. One number is 2942872. Okay. Two numbers are given. This is the second question, children. Now your question is smaller than question. Okay, so you now mark the periods using Indian system of numeration. Okay, so Indian system of numeration, first period consists of 3 places. Okay, 1 2 3 places after you put 1 comma. Next period consists of 2 places, so 1 2, that is 1000 and 10,000 after 1 comma. Okay, so this number also you mark the period. First period, ones period consists of 3 places, ones, tens, 100 after 1 comma, 1000, 10,000 after 1 comma. Okay, now you read the number 29,40,872. This number 29,42,872. Okay, now you compare which one is smaller, which one is greater. So we compare the highest place value. Okay, children. So the lakhs period 29. Okay. Then now you come the 1000 period. 10,000 period is 4. Same only. So you come to the 1000 period. Okay. Here 0. Here 2. So which one is smaller? This number is smaller. Okay. So 29,40,872 is smaller than 29,42,872. Here what is given in your book? Same only given, yes. 29,40,872 is smaller than 29,42,872. This statement is correct. Yes, children. So you write true. Okay. You write the answer in your book. T for true. Okay, write it. First question only homework. Now you come second question. You write the answer in your book. Write it. Now you come A, B part. B part what is given? 2 numbers are given. Yes. Okay, now you mark the periods in using Indian system of numeration. Okay, so ones period consists of 3 places. So ones, tens, 100 after 1 comma, 1000, 10,000 after 1 comma, lakhs, 10 lakh after 1 comma, next crore. Okay, same ones, tens, 100 after 1 comma, 1000, 10,000 after 1 comma, lakhs and 10 lakhs after 1 comma. Okay, now you read the number 8 crore 12,86,441. Okay, 8 crore 18,26,441. Okay, children. Now you compare. This is same digits. Okay, so we compare the highest place value. Crore place is equal. Okay, leave it. Now you come to 10 crore place. Okay, here 1, here 1. So leave it. Now you come to the crore place. Here 2, here 18. Sorry, 8. Here 12 lakh, here 18 lakh. So this is small, this is big. Okay, so like this. So 8 crore 12 lakh 86,441 is smaller number. Yes, children. But in your book, what is given? 8 crore 12 lakh 86,441 is greater than 8 crore 18 lakh 26,441. Okay. So this statement is true or false? False. Okay. Why? This number only smallest number, smaller number. But in your book given, what is given? This is only greater. Yes or no? So this is totally wrong in your book. So your answer is false. In your book answer. Okay. So write the second question, B part. You write the answer false. Okay. Yes. Now you come to C part. The predecessor of 25 million. The predecessor of 25 million is 25 million 1. Is it true or false? False. Yes. Predecessor means? Say predecessor. Their number 1 less than the given number is called predecessor. அப்படிதானா? நம்ம நம்பர்ல இருந்து கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பர்ல இருந்து 1 சப் பண்ணாதான் நமக்கு என்னது predecessor. ஆனா அங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? 1 ஆட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அப்ப அது என்னது நமக்கு? ட்ரூவா ஃபால்ஸா? False. Okay. The predecessor of 25 million is 25 million is false. Okay, children. So you write the answer F. False. Write it. Now you come D part. The successor of 4 crore 59 lakh 99,999 is 4 crore 60 lakh. Okay. Here first number 4 crore 59 lakh 99,999. The second number 4 crore 60 lakh. 1 added. Yes, children. So successor means successor na enna? A number 1 more than the given number. Yes. So here கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பர்ல இருந்து 1 ஆட் தான் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அப்படிதானா? So this statement is correct. So your answer is true. You write the answer true. Okay, clear? Now you come E part. The expanded form for 5 crore 40 lakh 60,790 is 5 lakh 40,600,790. This is totally wrong. Yes? What is the place value of first digit 5? 5 crore. Yes, children? Yes. But here is in your answer is given 5 lakh. So totally wrong. Yes or no? Yes. So your answer is false. Okay? Do you understand? Yes. So now write it the answer in your book. First question answer true, second one is false, third one is false, fourth one is true and fifth one is false. Okay? Have you finished? Yes. Now you come third question. Arrange the following numbers in the ascending order. Okay? Ascending order. Here 2 questions are given, A part and B part. In third question, A and B. You arrange the following numbers in the ascending order. Okay? Ascending order means writing the numbers from the smallest to the greatest is called ascending order of numbers. Okay? So, நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்க number அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும்? Ascending orderல arrange பண்ணணும். Ascending order na என்ன? Small to big. Okay? So, this is the homework. Okay, children? This is the homework in your homework note. So this is book homework. This is book. Okay? Do in book. Next, third question. A and B. Okay? Do in homework note. Now, next you come fourth question. Tick the correct answer. Okay? Yes. Here A, B, C, D, E. 5 questions are given. So do in your book. Okay, children? Next to fourth question. A, B, C, D and E. Okay? So these questions are do in book. Okay? So these are homework. So do carefully. Okay? The fourth question is very, very easy. So first of all, you read. Okay? Read the question and think. Then after you write the answer. Okay, children? Okay? Are you clear? Yes. These are homework. Here question number 3 only. Do in your homework note. All others 1 and 4th question. You do the answers in your book only. Okay? Are you clear? Do you understand, children? Yes. Now we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.